Good morning to everyone. So today discussing Nyquist stability criterion. So in the last classes discussing what is the procedure to draw the Bode plot, problems, and what is the procedure to draw the polar plot and problems. Okay, so today discussing last topic in fourth unit, Nyquist stability criterion. Okay, so the Nyquist stability criterion is very important in all competition exams. So first, Nyquist plot states that if g of s h of s counter in S plane to g of s h of s plane encircles the point minus 1 plus j0 in acting clockwise direction as many times as the number of right half of the S-plane poles of G of S, H of S, then the closed loop system is stable system. Okay, so the number of poles in the right hand side of the S-plane, then the closed loop system is stable system. Okay, so ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మా. So this is the complete Nyquist plot. So in the positive x-axis and the y-axis, this is encirclement. Okay. So ikkada omega equal to 0 to C1, omega equal to 0 to plus infinity in the one side, 0 to minus infinity is another side. So omega equal to 0 to plus infinity and omega equal to 0 to minus infinity. Okay, so this is encirclement. This is mapping of section C4. This is mapping of section C1. In this completely mapping of section C2. So in the you are draw the Nyquist stability criterion plot. So first mapping of the four sections. So this is mapping of section C1. This is mapping of section C2. This is mapping of section C3. And this is the encirclement. This is mapping of section C4. Okay, so this is omega equal to 0 to infinity, this one. This is the half of the 0 to plus infinity, and the another end is 0 to minus infinity. This is 0 to plus infinity, 0 to minus infinity. Okay, so first in the Nyquist plot అడిగాడంటే ఫస్ట్ ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేసేసి. It's very simple diagram. Okay, so draw this Nyquist plot. Okay, so the definition of the statement of the Nyquist plot is if g of s h of s counter in S plane to g of s h of s plane encircles the point minus 1 plus j0 minus 1 plus j0. This is the encirclement minus 1 plus j0 point, and in acting clockwise direction as many times as the number of right half of the S-plane poles of G of S, H of S, then the closed loop system is stable system. Okay, so in determine the stability of linear control system, we come across three cases. So you are calculating the stability of the linear control system. So there is three cases. So the first case is there is no encirclement of minus 1 plus j0 point. Okay, so minus 1 plus j0 point ki no encirclement untadi. This implies that the system is stable if there are no poles of g of s h of s in right half of the S plane. Okay, so ఏదైనా సరే అమ్మా మనకి స్టేబుల్ సిస్టమ్ అని స్టేబుల్ సిస్టమ్ అవ్వాలంటే no poles of G of S, H of S in right half of the S plane. If there are poles on right half of the S plane, then the system is unstable system. Okay, so that all the poles is lying on the left hand side of the S plane in the first case. So there is the system is stable system. In the right hand side of the S plane in the poles, the system is unstable system. Okay, next, second case, an anti-clockwise encirclement of -1 plus J0 point. In the second condition, in the second case, an anti-clockwise encirclement of -1 plus J0 point. In this case, the system is stable system if the number of anti-clockwise encirclement is same as number of poles of G of S, H of S in the right half of the S plane. Okay, so an anti-clockwise encirclement of -1 plus J0 point. In this case, the system is stable system if the number of anti-clockwise encirclement is same as number of poles of G of S, H of S in the right hand side of the S plane. Okay, so the third case is there is a clockwise encirclement of -1 plus J0 point. In this case, the system is always unstable system. Okay, Namma? So the clockwise encirclement of -1 plus J0 point unte, in this case, the system is always unstable system. Okay, so in the lambda, sigma and the J omega point, so omega equal to 0 to plus infinity, omega equal to 0 to minus infinity. So the C1, first mapping of section C1, second mapping of section C2, third mapping of section C3, and fourth mapping of section C4. So the 0 to plus infinity is C1, 0 to minus infinity is C3, and this the complete clockwise encirclement is C2, and the 0 encirclement is C4. Okay, so this is the complete Nyquist plot. So in mapping of section C1, the value of omega varies from 0 to infinity. Mapping of section C1 is obtained by S is equal to J omega. So G of S, H of S is S is equal to J omega, and omega is tends to 0 to infinity. Okay, so in this mapping of section C1, look, three main points. So the first main point is omega is varies from 0 to infinity. The omega value is 0 to infinity, and the S is J omega. Substitute S is equal to J omega, and 1 plus S is taking from S. So the manam corner frequencies calculate chesam kadamma, 1 plus S, 1 plus J omega. So the J omega yokka coefficient 1 by J omega coefficient. So 1 plus S is taking from only S. Omega value is 0 to infinity. Okay, and the second mapping of section C2. So the mapping section C2 has a semicircle of infinite radius. Therefore, every point on C2 has infinite magnitude, but the argument omega infinity varies from plus 90 to minus 90. Okay, so the omega is varies from plus 90 to minus 90. 1 plus st is equal to taking from only st. Okay, and the s is equal to limit r tends to infinity r into e power j theta. So the s is equal to limit r tends to infinity r into e power j theta. And the mapping of section C3. So the third mapping section C3, the value of omega is varies from reverse in the C1 amma. So C1 lo em తీసుకున్నాం, omega is taking from 0 to infinity. Okay, and the C3 is reverse in C1. Omega is varies from minus infinity to 0. Mapping of C3 is obtained by equating S is equal to J omega. It is draw the reverse polar plot of the section C1. So manam starting of the polar plot and ending of the polar plot discussing in the last class. So the starts of the polar plot, ends of the polar plot. So the type of the system is starting, order of the system is ending of the polar plot. Okay, so the mapping of section C3 is taking from starting of the type of the system, ending of the order of the system. So minus infinity to 0. Okay, and the last section C4. So the mapping of section C4 has a semicircle of 0 radius. Therefore, every point on semicircle has 0 magnitude, but the omega is varies from minus 90 to plus 90. Omega is varies from minus 90 to plus 90. Hence, mapping of section C4, 1 plus S is taking 1, and the S is taking from limit r tends to 0, r into e power j theta. It is the near in the section of C4, S is limit r tends to 0, r into e power j theta. So the mapping of section C2 enti, S is limit r tends to infinity, r into e power j theta, and 1 plus st is st in the mapping of section C2, and the mapping of section C4, 1 plus st is 1. Okay, so this is the mappings of the Nyquist stability theorem. And the next, draw the Nyquist plot for the system whose open loop transfer function is g of s h of s is equal to k by s into s plus 2 into s plus 10. G of s h of s is equal to k by s into s plus 2 s plus 10. So same process in the draw the Bode plot. So the real value equal to 1. ఇక్కడ real value 1 ఉండాలి. So ఇక్కడేముంది 2. So the 2 is common and 10 is common. Okay, so the 2 is common. So k by s into 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into s. 10 is common. 1 plus 1 by 10 into s. Okay, so k by 10 into 2, 20. 2 into 10, 20. So 1 by 20 is 0.05 k by s into 1 plus 0.5 s, 1 plus 0.1 s. Okay, so put s is equal to j omega in the given transfer function. So s place lo j omega substitute చేస్తున్నాం. So 0.05 k by s is j omega, 1 plus 0.5 j omega, 1 plus 0.1 j omega. So the mapping of section C1, So the mapping of section C1 is starting of the polar plot and the ending of the polar plot. What is the starts the polar plot? Starts the polar plot is type 0, ikkada type 0, type 1, type 2, type 3. Order 1, order 2, order 3, and order 4. Type 0, type 1, type 2, and the type 3 system. So order 1, order 2, order 3, order 4. Okay, so the starting of the polar plot type 1 system. So type 1, so the type 1 system and order 3. So there is 3 SS, 1, 2, 3S, order 3. So the starting type 1 system, ending at order 3. So this is the first mapping section C1. Mapping of section C1, starting of the polar plot and ending of the polar plot. And the reverse in the mapping of section C3. C1 ఎలా అయితే మనం డ్రా చేస్తామో దానికి రివర్స్ C3. సో ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయింది, ఈ క్వాడ్రెంట్ లో స్టార్ట్ అయింది కదమ్మా. సో ఈ క్వాడ్రెంట్ లో ఎండ్ అయింది. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? ఈ క్వాడ్రెంట్ లో స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఈ క్వాడ్రెంట్ లో ఎండ్ చేయాలి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద స్టార్టింగ్ and this is the ending. Starting of the polar plot, ending of the polar plot. C1, C3 clear? So the mapping of section C1 is starts at the polar plot, ends at the polar plot. ఏ పాయింట్ దగ్గర అయితే మనం స్టార్ట్ చేసామో దానికి ఎండ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో అండ్ ద సెకండ్ వన్ ఈస్ మ్యాపింగ్ ఆఫ్ సెక్షన్ C3 ఈస్ starts at the ending point and the ikkada start chesam kada the first quadrant, second, 3, 4 anukondi. Okay, so second quadrant start ayindi, third quadrant end ayindi. Ikkada em cheyali? Starts with third quadrant, ends at the second quadrant. Starts at third, ends at second. Okay, so this is the process in the mapping of section C1 and the C3. And the mapping of section C2 is 1 plus ST is taking from ST. 0 is omega is taking from plus 90 to minus 90 to plus 90. S is limit R tends to infinity R into e power j theta. Okay, namma? So ikkada okasari chudandi. Second mapping section G of S is equal to 0.05 K by S into 0.5 S into 0.1 S. So 0.5 into 0.1, 0.05. So the cancel K by S cube. Okay, so K by S cube. So S value is, what is S value? Limit R tends to infinity R into e power j theta. S value is substitute limit R tends to infinity R into e power j theta whole power 3. Okay, so R cube e power j into 3 theta. So in the j into e power j into 3 theta is comes to the numerator minus j. Okay, so theta value 90 to minus 90 substitute చేశానమ్మా. వాల్యూస్ 90 నుంచి 60, 30, 0. Minus 30, minus 60, minus 90. 90, 60, 30, 0. Minus 30, minus 60, minus 90. So substitute all the values. So the in the magnitude value and the face value. 0 minus 270, 0 minus 180, 0 minus 90, 0, 0, 0, 90, 0, 180, 0, 270. So 0, 90, 180, 270, minus 90, minus 180, minus 270 degrees. So the draw the Nyquist plot. Okay, ma? First minus 270, next minus 180, minus 90. Okay, next 0, 0 నుంచి plus 90, plus 180, plus 2. Joining all the values. Clear? This is the mapping of section C3. C2 and C4 is reverse in C2. Emma? So ఇక్కడ first condition 1 plus S take 1. Theta value is minus 90 to plus 90. So ఇందాక నేను minus 90 to plus 90 అని చెప్పాను కదమ్మా, అక్కడ plus 90 to minus 90 C2. C4 is minus 90 to plus 90. S is limit r tends to infinity, r tends to 0, r into e power j theta. So g of s, h of s 0.05k by s into 1 plus 0.05k and 1 plus 0.1k. So the 0.05k by s. S value is taking from limit r tends to 0, r into e power j theta. So minus 90 plus 90, minus 90 plus 90. This is the 4 mapping sections. So this is the Nyquist stability criterion. Okay. So ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఒకసారి అడగండి అమ్మా.